Welcome to GeorgeWay mathTV.
Okay, for each relation, decide whether or not it is a function. So number one, okay, for me to say that a relation is a function, the x values that should be used once. If I see 2 or more, then it's not a function. So let me look at the x's right here. So this is a -8. This is a -9. Oh, the -9 is used 3 times. So the fact that I see 3 of the x values, right, I would say not a function. The x should be used once. This is not a function. What about these two? Is it a function or not a function? The x's, I see 7, 3, -2, and 8. They are all different. The x values are all different. So it is a function. What about this one? The domain is my x, the range is my y. So let me see if the domain, which is the x, is being used twice. So this is used once, this was used once, this is used once, but this domain is used twice. It's going to leaf and it's going to pencil. So because it's being used twice, I would say not a function. What about relation 4? This is my domain, that is my range. Okay, so this x value is used once, this is used once, this is used once. Oh, the -7 right here is used twice. It's going to B and it's going to S. So the fact that it's being used twice, I would say not a function. And that's it.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.